Is there a problem?
I just don't like rain.
Oh,
It's like a weakness I have or something.
oh no.
Rain just scares me.
That sucks.
Hmm.
Well, oh my god. Alright, I gotta get inside, so I'll see you later, I guess, if the rain doesn't end.
I'm probably just gonna wait here until the rain ends. Okay, after 30 minutes, the rain finally ended. Oh, it's that galaxy type girl thing again. I can't say her name. Technically Chad's sister. I can just tell. But I gotta get to the house. I have to do some stuff. I'm guessing Mom's not gonna be home again. I think I have enough money to buy a phone. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I gotta go get a phone. And if I do, I'm gonna ask for Chad's number. That's not creepy at all. Creepy stalker girl. No, don't judge people by their looks. She's probably just looking for something. Gotta get the phone. Gotta get the phone. Yay. Okay. So I got the phone. I mean, not the phone. I can't speak English. Let's see. I think I'm gonna see the front desk to see if they have one. Oh, hi.
Oh, hey.
I didn't know you worked here.
I don't.
Hmm.
I'm covering a shift for a friend.
Okay.
So what'd you need?
I need a phone. The ones over there I don't think are okay.
Well, we got the Galaxy 7 and iPhone 6, iPhone 7, you know.
I think just give me one that's okay.
Okay. How's the Galaxy 7?
It's okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And then here's this. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I need a drink to calm me down. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Do you have just a regular mocha?
Yes, we do. Alrighty. Here you are. No payment is the free Fridays, what they like to call it, where everyone gets a free drink today.
Thank you. Okay, so... Oh. Hi again.
Oh, hey.
Okay. That's not weird at all.
Is there something weird?
No. You okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Bit tired.
Oh, is that why you're getting coffee?
I'm getting a mocha. I'm not really a big fan of coffee.
A mocha still has caffeine, so a mocha is coffee. It's
A
just
mocha
a
is like
chocolate milk coffee.
Don't be a smart, dumb, freaking butthead.
Thanks for the compliment. I like being smart. You know, you can sit down if you like.
I guess. So what are you working on?
Just some papers, some homework.
Easy or hard?
No.
I said easy or hard.
No. It depends the kind of person you're talking to, you know?
I'm all A's in class. So,
That's exactly why I don't like, I feel stupid.
If you want to, I can help you study.
No, it doesn't really matter anyways, so.
No, I insist.
Fine. I'm working on some math. I don't get this equation.
And that's how you do the equation.
Oh, wow. I would do that.
Math is pretty hard. Depends on the person you are.
I think it's because I spend a lot of my time not in class. I don't like class.
If you want to, you can come over to my place and I can help you study more. I'm actually really good at helping people study. I used to be a tutor.
No, I just need to, I really just don't. I don't know. What am I saying again? I don't know.
You know, I insist you coming over tomorrow after school and I'm going to help you study.
Really, you really just don't have to, you know?
I'm going to.
You don't have to.
I'm going to.
Oh, God, what did I get myself into? No, you don't have to.
I'm going to.
Oh, okay.
I told you, I used to be a tutor. Bye. See you tomorrow after school.
God, have mercy on my soul.
Okay, well, this is going to be a bit difficult to help him. I can already tell.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Don't do that.
I didn't see
I
you.
hate jump scares.
I honestly didn't see you.
Are you really blind? Are you that blind?
My bandana on, I kind of am. No. Maybe. I don't know. Sorry.
It's fine. Well, I'm kind of busy. Tomorrow I have to tutor a person.
Who are you Who are you tutoring?
I don't know his name, but he was just at the cafe. But I know his name. His name's Trevor.
You're tutoring Trevor?
Mm-hmm.
Did he ask?
Nope, I insisted. He needed kind of a help on a math problem, but me, I'm an A+ student, so it's really easy for me.
Do not, never mind. You have fun with that. You have fun with that. See you around.
Okay. Okay, it's a really beautiful day today. So, yeah. That's not word at all, but okay.